Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply more than one video transition on your videos to make it just stand out more. So go to transitions, and as you can see you can only add in one video transition here. So if I just add that, I can only add one. Let's actually just try to find something else. Maybe this one. Okay, and I want to add more than one. Okay, I can only add actually a maximum of 2, but what you're going to want to basically do is you're going to select the video, make sure this line is in the middle, right click, create compound clip, and this is where you're going to split that video again in half, and this is where you're going to add in the video effect, the video transition to the... I'll add another one so you guys can actually see, maybe this white flash one. Maybe not, but you understand what I mean. You can actually add in more, but it's very tedious, and you'll have to export the video first for you to add in more than 2 video transition. I do not know why my CapCut is very laggy. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!